I might get an offer on this 1922 Harley Davidson F model. I'm the second owner on this. The first, I bought it from the original owners in '93, and it's been back and forth with me to the US. So 1922, and what I'm doing now, I'm putting on this sidecar wheel. I've got some new ball bearings. I've already got one side done. This is the outer side. Threads here. There's a cap that screws on. That's the outside. And I'm just using grease to hold those bearings in place. Just be careful here. I've got that all nice and cleaned out. And I'm going to go ahead and put in some grease. Put in these ball bearings. These things weren't too, well, in 1922, they were pretty good industrial-wise, but still fairly primitive. They're made to be taken apart and put back together by people with very minimum tools. That's why it's so basic. Just put a thick layer of grease in here. The grease will hold the bearings in place. This hub is straight through, so down there I've got a catch, just a plastic bag. If these bearings, if I drop one, they just shoot straight through, and I'll pick it up, clean it up again, and try again. There are 13 bearings on a side, 26 bearings for this hub altogether. These are 3/8 inch ball bearings. The races are original. If I were to actually use this bike on the road, I'd make sure that I'd replace these parts, or at least made sure they're in good shape. But at the moment, I'm just using this to roll it around the shed. 26. 13 on this side. There's a snap ring groove in there. It uses this snap ring. What I'm going to do is, this is the original 1922 here. And what I have to do is, this is, over time, the circle is closed, so I'm going to take it over to the vise and spread this out a little bit, give it a bit of tension when it fits inside the snap ring groove. It didn't do much, but it's going to be enough. Okay, that's good. All right, the other major parts are here. This is the outer race for the inner race for the outside of the wheel. That's a keeper, slides around the shaft. Castle nut that holds all that in place when it's in there. And then I've got this actually holds the mudguard on. Those threads are stripped, but anyways, I'll try to put those on and hold the mudguard on. And this is the dust cap, such as it is. Screws on to the threads that were on the outside of that hub. I just got to clean these up. this is the inner race of the inside bearing. Inside this cover is, I don't know if there's supposed to be a seal in there or not, but the hub of the rim itself slides up in there. This rim here slides up in there. Yeah, my bearings are falling out. Well, I might have to clean those up, start again. Got to use a lot of grease because it's not a very good glue. Hello? Hello, who's that?
Hello, it's me.
Oh, hello you.
Oh, what you doing? Oh, that's on the old one.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I was losing its paint.
Alright, sorry, I have to do this in a hurry.
Yes, go ahead.
Okay.
I'll see you later. Oh, because you're doing a photo thing.
I am shooting video now.
Okay. I'll leave you to it.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye. Got that nut there. Oh. Bearings are coming out of there. I'll get it in there before they slide out altogether. Imagine trying to do this on the side of the road somewhere. That'd be no fun. And yet I think that's what they did. That's good enough. Got the keeper here. Okay, it's a little bit offset, so I guess you have the choice. Yeah. Okay. Turn it a little bit more. Call it good. There we go. Castle nut. (11/16). I don't think I can go any further. No. It's good enough for rolling it around the shed. There you go. Fits in there like that somehow. But I don't have all the pieces for that. But anyway, pretty much as it left the factory, except for 98, 97 years. 61 cubic inch. Got a little trunk back here with the original helmet that the guy used to wear, and some leggings, which don't fit me, but soldiers in World War I would use these around their shins. It's always in there, and I think there's also a set of goggles in there. Okay.